Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard fried eggs. First, select a good non-stick pan to ensure your eggs release easily. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your preferred cooking oil to the pan. Allow it to melt and coat the surface. Then, preheat your pan over medium-low heat for approximately 2 minutes to achieve the ideal cooking temperature. Once your pan is properly heated, carefully crack your eggs directly into it, spacing them out if you are cooking more than one. Let them cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. During this time, the egg whites will gradually turn opaque and become fully set. Avoid flipping the eggs at this stage to keep the yolks intact. To ensure a perfectly hard yolk, add about 1 tablespoon of water to the pan, being careful not to pour it directly onto the eggs. Immediately cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid. This creates steam, which helps cook the top of the egg and firm up the yolk. Let the eggs steam for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the yolks are completely set. Once your hard fried eggs are cooked to perfection, gently slide a spatula underneath them and transfer them to a plate. Season generously with salt and freshly ground pepper to enhance their flavor. For the best taste and texture, serve your delicious hard fried eggs immediately. Enjoy this classic breakfast staple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.